Hi guys, Chris here. Pero hindi tayo for RS Timepiece Collection for today. Iba naman yung content natin ngayon. Kung makikita niyo dito, on my side, these are the One Piece cards, Volume 2 or PRB02. Unboxing muna yung content natin. Sa loob nito, mayroon siyang 10 packs. And then, it's either you get some cool cards, rare cards, special cards. Yun yung gusto natin makita dito. For today, we will have the episode 1, but hindi natin bubuksan yung buong box. Kukuha lang tayo dito ng at least 3 per episode. And then, we'll resume the next episode on the next post, the next day, something like that. Hindi ko rin siya i-open on just one day and then just cut the videos. Tayo ganun. Well, ayoko nang push forward agad and then cut the videos na. Gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo ma-excite everyday, ganyan. I just opened 3 for today for our first episode. So, yun. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Open na natin for episode 1. Okay. Episode 1. Here's the cutter. Sealed pa yung box. Kukuha tayo ng 3. Ayan. This is content of the box. Ayan. Obviously, pag nakuha natin yung maganda dito, opening the other packs is not necessary anymore. Ayan. Kasi nga, isa lang naman yung maganda per box. So, ayan. Mag-random na tayo ng 3. I'll just pick for our first episode. Ayan. Pili tayo ng 3 dito. I'll just pick this one. And the first one. And the last one. Ayan. Tago muna natin to. This will be opened tomorrow. Okay? Ayan siya dito. Tomorrow may pasok pa ako. Ayan. Diba? So, hindi ko alam kung i-open ko ba to ng isa-isa or bubuksan ko na lang ng sabay-sabay para tayo ma-excite. O muna ako ng gunting. Ay, hindi. May gunting yata ako dito. Wait lang. Okay, I'm back. So, ito na. Down. Tingnan na gawa nila. Iipit nila. Tapos, gusto ko i-try yung yung binubuksan sa gitna. Hawakan na nila dito. So, hindi ko alam paano na ginagawa. So ganun pala yun. Pinipili lang pag ganun. Okay. This is the first pack. Open natin. So, harap ko sa inyo yung cards. Ayan. I'm not sure what this is. So, this is a normal card. Promotion card. Probably. Not sure about this one. Normal and common card. Common card. This one, common card. This is rare event card. Okay. Uy! Okay. So this is an SR Luffy. Ayan. So meron tayong SR card. May nakuha tayong isang maganda from this pack. That's nice. And then this one is common card pero foil siya. And then this one it's a common card na foil din. And then a Dawn card, a regular Dawn card that we're still collecting that. Okay, nice one for the first pack. We got a good hit and Luffy. Nice one. Takot lang ako na ganun yung ginagawa ko for opening. Ganito na lang siguro. I just open it. Baba ko nga ng one. So, open. Bagay na ganyan nila yan. Okay. So, I'll start with this boa. Hindi, tama ba? Hindi ko alam. So, si Hancock na. Common card lang yun. This one, common card lang yun. Also, another common card. Nakita ko si Luffy pero common card lang. What's this? Common card ulit. This one is looks shiny na event card. Rare na event card. Uy! Okay. SR na low. I think meron na akong dalawa nun. Ano to? SR na hindi, common na. Oh my god! Ay nakuha tayo isang maganda. SP card ba to? Or SR lang? SR lang. SR card. Ayan. Ganda. Si Marco. This one. It's an AA SR card. If I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang guys. Don card. Siguro naman hindi ko pa nakuha yung mga ganda na cards. The third pack, last pack for our first episode. Ayan. Kalit. So, hindi natin nila ulit yun. Tapos, front of the card is Buggy, common card probably. Ayan. Next is si Luffy na promotional card. I'm collecting that one. Common card. Uncommon card actually. And then this one is common card. Common card. I wonder, this is a rare card. Oy, si Shanks ba to? Si Shanks nga. SR na Shanks. Ayan. Ganda. And then promotional card. What's this? Uncommon na foil. And a Don card. Okay. So far, I think maganda naman yung hits natin. So we have Shanks. And then we have Marco. Saka si Luffy na SR. Not bad. Every pack, meron siyang maganda. So, just let you see guys. Yung mga nakuha natin. Okay. That's it for our episode 1 of unpacking ng PRB01 na One Piece card. Okay? See you guys on episode 2. Thanks for watching.